হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আজকে আমরা মাইক্রোপ্রসেসর 8085 প্রোগ্রামিং নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। টুডে উই ডিসকাস এ প্রোগ্রাম দ্যাট ইজ রাইট অ্যান ALP. ALP means assembly language program for pack of 2 BCD numbers. চলো দেখি এবার কীভাবে প্রোগ্রামটা করা যায়। Suppose we have 2 BCD numbers. One is 05, another one is 04, and we wish to make a number that is 54. Okay, but these BCD numbers you have to convert in hexadecimal. Now these BCD numbers 05, 54 is our ultimate results. So we may say 54 is equal to 50 plus 04. Now this 05 in hexadecimal representation we may write 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. These 4 bits represents 0 and this one 0 1 0 1, this is represents 5. Now we need 50. So how we can do it? So we have to rotate this number, we have to rotate. Fine. So this 5 comes to this position and these zeros comes to this position, then it becomes 50. So how it can be possible? Now let's check. If we use an instruction that is RLC, rotate accumulator left, then what we will do? So every bit shifts towards left. So this one comes to this position, this 0 comes to this position, this one comes to this position, 0, then this is. So every bit shifts left by one position. Then this 0, there is no such vacant position, so this 0 comes to this position. It's left. So if we use one time RLC, then we will get this one. So we need 50. So this whole position should be here. So we need 4 times rotate. So another time. So here it is 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 0. This 0 comes to this position. Once again, then another time. Now check this one. So this is 5, this is 0. So it becomes 50. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now write the program. So suppose we start the program from 2000H of memory location. So first we take this number MVI A, 05H. This H represents in hexadecimal. Then this is a 2-byte instruction, so 2001 memory location is also required. Then RLC for this one, RLC for this one. RLC is 1-byte instruction, so it consumes single memory location. 4 time RLC means it's completed. Then 4 is added. Okay, so we may directly add this number ADI 04, or we may store 04 in earlier in register, then we can add also. Okay, then it becomes 30, then stop the program. Okay, on. Once again I am repeating this program. First we take a number that is stored in accumulator. So now accumulator content is 05, then it is rotate like this one. For first time RLC, the accumulator content is this. Second time RLC, accumulator content is this. Third time and fourth time, the accumulator content becomes this one. Then we obtain 50. Then we add ADI 04H. Then we add 04 with the accumulator content and get the result. Okay, so then we have to store this one. Okay, so STA, suppose 2250 locations is required and it is stored, so it consumes 3 byte instructions. So 2008, 9 and A will be there and 200B will be the RST5. Okay, so if you like this my class, my lecture, then like and share. Okay, thank you.